So let's move towards our next short trick. That is nothing but if we have any matrix A and we have to multiply it with its adjoint. So A into adjoint of A, or it is either adjoint of A into A. We have the simple solution for this, that is determinant of A into In. This is In is nothing but identity matrix and n is nothing but the 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix. So here we have, if A into adjoint of A is 10, 0, 0, 10, then what is the we have to find determinant of A. This question is repeated in 2017 and 2019. So this is very simple question using our short trick. So we know A into adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of A into In, right? So we simply know this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So our In will be identity matrix will be I by 2. That is nothing 1, 0, 0, 1. So what will be the answer? So that our answer will be this. So simply comparing. We are comparing. So what will be the value of determinant of A? That this will be satisfy this. This will be nothing but 10. So the value of determinant of A is nothing but 10.